What to flip? Right now, I'm watching. The camera just started on this. What to flip? I just setting up. Anyway, I'm watching Phase Rug's Ghost Hunter video. This one, that was crazy. We're opening part 3 of the baby IEF booster box. This one actually comes in bubble wrap, so let's open it. Why put bubble wrap on it? I actually don't understand. I know keep it safe, but now I've got to damage the box to get the bubble wrap off. Also, if you hear any noise in the background, that's actually Phase Rug's video. We're watching the, let's see, come on, work. It's not working. Alright. Well, the Terrifying Night We'll Never Forget, Most Haunted Hotel, posted 3 years ago. Just in case you guys are interested. Okay, so sealed box. I'm so gutted because I actually got a refund for this box. It's a long story, but all in good condition. Got my stand light to make sure you don't mess around with these because they can be dangerous. Just want you guys to see because I'm actually damaging the box by doing that. Right. Okay, and we'll pop the box. Like so. It's not. I don't like how these don't even come with seals. Like bang. These bags look a bit weird, bro. Okay. Weird. Okay. So if I show you, if I show you this, look at that bag, all black at the top. And if I show you this bag, all yellow. Oh wait. Was it just upside down this whole time? Oh wait, no. Look, all black at the top, all yellow at the top. You see that? It's all upside down. What a flip. Okay. So we're gonna get through this. Let's start on the first pack. Wish we had a bit of a cooler setup. I could put it like, I need to drop it. No, you can't see it. You know what I mean? Get a shelf there so that when we're doing box openings, we can just put it there. So, got a green back. Okay, I don't think we have a Mario. Oh, bro. That's cool. Next. Another green bar. I think after this pack, we're just gonna mix the packs up so it'll be much more random. That's what I mean. Okay, so ooh, nice. I do not have even the sleeves on. Right, so like I said, I stopped talking then because I was too invested in the video. Oh no, okay. Right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Right, so we'll open these, and then I think we'll keep these sealed. These bags, they got loads of air in them. But obviously they're already unofficial, so they're not going to be fake, because who makes fake unofficial cards? You have to be some weirdo to do that. So we're opening them ones, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to steal one from you. 15 packs are keeping sealed. So put that there. And then we'll just quickly open these. So hopefully we get what we need in these. This is the official part 3, by the way. Another green pack. I think we need so we got Jigglypuff. We got this one. Don't know it. We have that one, I think, actually. These ones feel like they was rushed and made rushed in a way. We got another number 10 down. Number 10 is that one, if you guys don't know. Got my box back here to catch all the wrappers. Again, nothing we haven't already got. Another green, bro. Don't tell me these are all green ones. We was getting a lot of blue yesterday. Snorlax, Sandscrew, and James. Okay, we already got Jess and James. So these are all doubles. I want Snorlax is a cool one to get a double in though. Look at Snorlax. We need. Well, I want another Charizard. I haven't pulled the second Charizard yet. Another green back. How? I don't know. Like the back of this one is green, so sometimes they're blue and you get like a rare blue one. I don't think we have that one. And to be fair, I think we might have that one, but I don't know. So again, I'll sleeve everything at the end. I've just decided that it's gonna be. We're at 8 minutes already, and we've opened like 4 packs or 5 packs. So another green pack. What's going on? That's cool. That's cool. That is cool. Okay. Alright. Come on. Let's mix them up so we don't keep getting greens all the time. And I'll open this one now. This should be blue. Hypothetically, because I said no more green skins. No, it's green. What? Why is it green? Right, we got Pikachu, which we got already. Oh, yeah, we got that one. We haven't got that one though. It's got a weeping cough or whatever it's called on the back. Wow. Cough or something like that. White, green again. Did I get many green yesterday? I don't think so. No, I don't think we got this one. So we'll quickly put sleeve on that one to make sure it goes straight in the binder. a green again. We're not going to get any cards we need today because we keep getting green after green. The green are the trainer cards. Alright, this one card. If this is green, we're just skipping it. It's green. This one's green, we're skipping it. It's green. If this one's green, we're skipping it. It's blue! Yes, we'll leave that. This one's green, we're skipping it. It's green. Alright, so let's just open the greens really quick so we can open our blue. The blue we're hoping for evolutions or a Charizard. So let's look. Boom, boom, boom. Don't think we have that. So look. I think we got all the trainers actually. So again, number 10. See, we couldn't find it. We only found one number 10 yesterday, but we got 2 already. Bonita and Brock, which is cool. Okay, now the blue one. Okay. Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, right. Okay, so we got a trainer at the front. James, Pichu, and shit. Okay, well, that means I've got even more cards to add to our bulk. So just to recap, the nicest cards we've got so far. I don't think we have this guy. Right. We got some nice ones. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Now it's part 3. I will be opening these either in a part 4 or on my own. I don't know yet. I think a part 4. Should we do a part 4? Yeah, let's do a part 4, and it'll be uploaded either tomorrow or the day after. So I don't know when this video is going up. So it's the 28th, Wednesday the 28th of whatever month it is right now. What month is it? It's the 28th of May today. So 29th or 30th. See you then.